Alright, I'm going to show you all how to import images into Lightroom. Alright, so first of all I'm going to maximize this so it takes up the whole screen. Makes it easier to see. These are my images already on the computer, and I want to import new pictures. So I get my SD card and I plug it into the back of my computer into the SD card slot. And there it goes, it just pops up. If it doesn't pop up automatically, you click on the import button on the bottom left over here. You can't see it right now, but that's where you click on it. Alright, so these are all my images. You can see they're all checked already. You can go in and uncheck some of these. So like these ones I can tell are not going to be good, so I can uncheck these. However, don't worry too much about that because you can always delete things later. Okay, so uncheck. All these checked ones are going to import. Now, by the way, on the left here, you can see where it's importing from. So EOS Digital, that's my SD card. Over here, it gives you options as to how you want to import them. And we're going to do copy as DNG. Since we shot RAW on our cameras, this will change it to the DNG file, which is a more universal file. Now, on the right, it tells us where it's going. So the destination should be under Macintosh HD, and it should be under that folder you made on your desktop, and it's going into a dated folder. So that's all good. We just hit import, and it starts importing. You can see the little loading bar on the top left here. It tells you that it's loading. You can see the images start popping up as they import. Give it just a minute to import here. It might show you this. That just means you had images that weren't RAW files, so like JPEGs. Just hit OK. Then it said, you notice it said ejected card after import. You can go ahead and pull your card out because it's ejected. By the way, you might notice there's another loading bar up here. Now it's building previews, so you can cycle through them faster. But you can go ahead and start sorting and editing even with this loading. You can kind of ignore that for now. So now I've got all our images and can start sorting and then editing.